When it comes to heavy-duty demolition and precision cutting, a reliable reciprocating saw, commonly known as a Sawzall, is a must-have in any serious toolkit. In this video, we'll review the top 5 reciprocating saws on Amazon. Let's start with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Super Sawzall. This saw has earned a reputation as one of the most powerful cordless reciprocating saws available. Built with a power-state brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, it delivers consistent power under heavy load, making it a true corded replacement. With a 1 1/4 inch stroke length and orbital action, it excels at fast, aggressive cutting through wood, metal, and even demolition-grade materials. The saw is also equipped with a rafter hook, LED light, and tool-free blade change system. Users consistently praise its robust build, battery life, and unmatched performance in field conditions. If you're looking for top-tier power and professional-grade reliability, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is a clear leader. Next is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Reciprocating Saw. Known for its balance between performance and affordability, this saw is built with a high-efficiency brushless motor and delivers a 1 1/8 inch stroke length. It's slightly more compact than the Milwaukee, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces without sacrificing too much power. The keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade changes, and the onboard LED helps illuminate dark work areas. What users love most about this DeWalt model is its rugged construction. It's often described as built like a tank. Whether you're tackling home renovations or job site work, the DCS382B offers reliable cutting performance in a well-balanced ergonomic package. Coming in at number 3 is the Bosch Multi-Grip Reciprocating Saw. Bosch has taken a different design approach with this model, integrating a hawkbill-style multi-grip handle that provides superior control and comfort. It features a 1 1/4 inch stroke length and offers 3 orbital settings for optimized cutting across materials. The vibration control system reduces fatigue, making it a smart choice for extended use. This saw stands out for its smooth operation and precise control, making it a favorite among contractors working on framing, plumbing, or finish work. While it's slightly more specialized in design, the Bosch GSA 18V-125N shines in environments where low vibration and precision are key. In 4th place is the Porter Cable Max Reciprocating Saw. If you're looking for a reliable tool on a budget, this is a fantastic option. With a stroke length of about 1 inch and a variable speed trigger, it delivers solid performance for light to medium-duty tasks like cutting pipe, trimming wood, or clearing brush. The tool is lightweight and compact, making it an excellent choice for users who don't need top-tier specs but still want consistent cutting performance. It's especially popular among DIYers, homeowners, and hobbyists. While it doesn't match the raw power of higher-end models, the Porter Cable PCC 670B punches above its price point in terms of value and reliability. Rounding out our list is the Makita Brushless Reciprocating Saw. Makita has a long-standing reputation for producing pro-grade tools with excellent handling, and this model is no exception. With a brushless motor, a long 1 1/4 inch stroke, and a refined balance, this saw is ideal for professionals who value comfort during extended use. The standout feature here is vibration control. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or plastic, the Makita XRS01T provides smooth, low-fatigue operation. It also features a tool-free blade change and lock-off lever for safety. This saw is perfect for contractors who need a durable, high-performance tool for daily use without compromising on ergonomics.